She loves a small town boy like me. She's my ride or die baby, she's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat. She's my whip me till the end girl, let's turn it up to 10 girl. She can have anybody that she wants to be, anywhere she wants to be. She loves a small town boy like me. She loves a small town boy like me, yeah. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I want to teach you how to play Small Town Boy by Dustin Lynch on the acoustic guitar. It's a great song. I love it. I love country dancing to it. I love playing it, and I hope that you love it too. So, real quick before I get into the lesson, if you like this video tutorial, please like and subscribe so you can be notified when I come out with new videos. But let's get right into it. So, standard tuning, Capo on the 2nd fret. There's only 4 chords used in the exact same order throughout the entire song. So you will never change that or anything. There's not going to be any variance or anything like that. You're just going to play it exactly the same. Okay? So let's get started. So I'm going to show you right here. So you start out with, you're going to do Cadd9. Okay? So Cadd9 is, if you've seen other tutorials, you know that, you know what it is. If not, that's okay. So Cadd9 is where you put your middle finger, and this is all in relation to the capo, by the way. So you put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pointer finger, alright, goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then your ring finger down here, that goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? And so it sounds like this. That's how you play it. So I think if you're only doing single strums, you can play it with your fingernail like the top right there, and that'll give you a little bit more sound, or you can just use a pick. But I like to use my fingers a lot. So then the 2nd chord is G. Okay. Then G is pretty standard. So just do whatever's easiest. I think it's easiest if you do G, where you put your pinky. So you're doing Cadd9. You just move these 2 fingers up one set of strings, so that your middle finger is on the 3rd fret on the E string. This one, your pointer finger is on the 2nd fret on the A string. You're going to leave your ring finger where it was, and you can put your pinky, all right, down on the little E on the 3rd fret, all right? So it sounds like that. That's one way to play it, but I think it's easiest to transition from Cadd9 to G if that's how you play it, okay? So then after that, you're going to go to E minor, and you can just leave your ring finger down anchored in D the entire time. So then you put your 2 fingers up here just in E minor. So that's how it sounds. If you take your ring finger off, it'll sound like that. So it just sounds a little bit higher that way. But it's up to you, and if you want to do that, I think it's just, if you're a beginner, it makes it a lot easier for you. And then the last is D. Okay, so very, very easy. That's the whole song. So the strumming pattern isn't very tricky for this song, and it's basically the same thing the whole time. You can change it up a little bit. The little secret that you should learn, that everybody should know when they're learning to play guitar, is you don't have to play things exactly like they do. There's different ways to play the exact same thing. There's different chords to play the same stuff. So if there's a different way to play it, if you've seen another video or you go on to Ultimate Guitar or something like that and they have a different way of playing it, that's fine. At first when I was learning, that really frustrated me, but just know that like there's different ways to play things and they can go together. It doesn't make, one isn't right or wrong. It might be different from how he plays it, but that doesn't make it right or wrong as long as you can get the right sound. So I would say play what's easiest for you. So the song starts out, just goes through the dun 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 dun. Okay, so it's got that lead guitar playing over it. That doesn't have a capo. The reason I'm not showing you that right now as well is because you can't play both together like this. So that's why I didn't want to show you how to do that. I can show you in another video if you'd like, but that's not, you won't be able to play it without the capo and with the capo, like on one guitar. So let's get started. So it starts out with, and you can just do single strums on the verses, like, so it's, I'm a dirt road, so Cadd9 G, Cadd9 G. I'm a dirt road, G, in the headlights, in E minor. I'm a mama's boy, D. I'm a fist fight, then you start over. Count a county line, alright, so Cadd9, kind of county line, G, kind of cold beer, E minor, little hat down, little John Deere, and then it goes to the pre-chorus, which is still the same thing. It's I kinda give a dang, I kinda don't care. See that girl standing right there. So I think it sounds best if when you're playing it like that, you do a mute right before, and it just slows down the song, and then right before you like go into the chorus. So I think it sounds awesome that way if you go. You see that girl standing right there. She loves a small town boy like me. She's my ride or die baby, she's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat. She's my with me till the end, girl, let's turn it up to 10, girl. Okay, so remember, you're doing the same chords in the same order the entire song. You never switch them up. If you want to play it really simple, I don't know if you noticed, there's a couple different things there. So you can do it still like just down, like that. So when I was first learning guitar, that made it way easier for me because it was hard to strum up and down a lot. But if you just play, like, if you just kind of do it down at first, that's enough. For me, one of the biggest wins in playing guitar was just being able to play songs. So if you're really like brand new, you can just do it like that. All right, so it's she loves a small town boy like me. She's my ride or die baby, she's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat. Okay, so that's like very simple strumming for it. Or you can do, she loves a small town boy like me. She's my ride or die baby, she's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat. So with you till the end, girl, let's turn it up to 10, girl. She can have anybody that she wants to be, anywhere she wants to be. She loves a small town boy like me. She loves a small town boy like me, yeah. So when you go from the verse, pre-chorus to chorus, right? So after the chorus, you just will play it like without any lyrics or anything yet for like, I think twice is how you play it through. Are you seeing how I'm playing that? So it's down, so it's down, down, up, down. And you switch, okay? Down, down, up, down. Sorry, yeah, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So, and then I'm throwing a little bit in between, down, down, up, down, and so down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's how like I've been playing the intermediate parts. What I always recommend to people, if you're learning to play a song on the guitar and you're having a hard time getting the strumming down, is to just listen to the song and play what sounds good. It doesn't have to be exactly how they play it. It probably won't be because they've got, like, this song has like 2 guitars, it's got drums and a bass and stuff. And so it's just going to be, it's not going to sound exactly the same, but you can totally play this at a campfire and it'll sound great if you do it like that. Or you can do, that's just me doing it all down. It's like straight down. Down, 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 down. Okay, so you can do it like that too. That's a very easy beginner way to do it. I wouldn't recommend always sticking with that because you want to push yourself in guitar a little bit, even if it's just a little bit at a time. But anyway, that's how you play the song. It's super easy. I think it's an awesome song. So, and I love Dustin Lynch. So anyway, if you like the song, I hope that you will subscribe. If you like the video, I hope that you'll subscribe and give me a like, and let me know in the comments if there's any other songs you'd like me to teach next. Thanks.